You are going to love the 2018 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, security alarm, electronic stability control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.